Earlier this year, I made a video showing you guys how you can easily remove dust spots from your images when editing your photos in Lightroom. But just 8 weeks later, Lightroom have already automated this process. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you this new tool to dramatically speed up how quickly you can remove dust spots from your photos in Lightroom. And I'm going to start right now. Now, I was talking about this just a couple of months ago. In fact, I made a video about it, how you can easily scan and remove dust spots from your photo. I recently did a lens review testing the Sigma 35mm f1.2, borrowed a friend's camera as that's a Sony E-mount lens, and obviously I'm a Canon shooter. And yet I didn't check if the sensor was clean, and as you can see, there was a lot of sensor dust. So I made a quick video showing you guys the problem that I had and how you can rectify if you run into the problem yourself, not knowing that Lightroom was actually in the process of releasing an update, making what I was talking about redundant and actually automatic. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. Now, before this update, if you wanted to do this, you'd have to go into your Remove tool, use generative AI, go ahead, select all the little dots. Could take 2 or 3 minutes. For me, it took almost 5. Selecting all the little dots, then clicking remove. That is a massive time waste. So now what Lightroom has done, ignore the remove tool, go to distraction removal. Now previously, you had reflections and people, but now you've got dust. So we'll go ahead and click on that. We'll go ahead and click on visualize range. Now you can see the problem that I ran into. Look how much dust. All these little circles are dust spots. So instead of clicking them on individually, all you need to do now is click on one button called Apply. And as you can see, it selected all of them quite quickly and removed them. Now, grant you, it hasn't removed every single one. There are a few that are missing, but it does do quite a good job. So for example, we've got this slug looking one here. What you can do now is just manually select it for you. Again, it does take a little bit of time and you might have to use other tools to get the best out of it. But I would say it does around 90 to 95% of the work for you. So yeah, this new dust removal tool is super helpful simply because it's automatic. Thank you to all of my YouTube members that are currently supporting the channel. If you guys want to support the channel and get some awesome perks, including free Lightroom presets like the ones that you can see on screen, and get to watch the tutorials before they go live on YouTube, make sure to go ahead to the link in the description. I've been James for Photo Fever, and I'll catch you guys on Thursday.